What's up? What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for checking in yet another video with your boy Nicholas Ramsey. I am so excited to be in my very own kitchen today, teaching you all how to cook fried fish. So without any further ado, let's go ahead, put on your aprons, and let's check it out. Alright, so for today's video, we are going to be using garlic powder, paprika, Ocho Rios combo seasoning. This has all of the seasoning, salts, and all that. It doesn't have a lot of sodium. That's why I buy it. It only has, 90 milligrams of sodium. But whatever seasoning salt you use is going to work just fine. Just be mindful of how much you put in there because different seasoning salts have different levels of sodium, and you don't want your fish to be too salty, especially because fish already has salt in there. Have some oregano, have some onion powder, and you have some oil. And for today, I am going to be using whiting as my fish right here. And then, of course, you're going to have your Dutch pot. And then you're going to have all-purpose flour. And then some cornmeal to mix with that flour. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, first and foremost, always make sure your hands are clean. How y'all doing today? It's a beautiful day out here. Well, it's cloudy, but still, it's another day that the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it. Every day you get is a chance to be great and to enjoy life. God put you here for a reason. All right, so we have our whiting right here. Let me show you. All right, so we're going to let me put this back in the freezer. Just clean this with some vinegar. Too much, but and some cold water. Alright, that's cleaned. Now, what you're going to want to do, make sure all that is drained off. Perfect. Now, I'm going to just first start with the seasonings. I like to use that one last. So I'm going to start with my onion powder. Sprinkle, I don't use measurements. I just sprinkle. That's that. Let me come in a little closer, actually. All right, so we have that. Now some paprika. Some garlic powder. Oregano is optional, to be honest with you. And then seasoning salt. Not too much, but enough so it's, seasoned well. Alrighty. So now I can just mix all of that in. You could use your hands, your spoon, whatever. I'm just going to mix all of that in, make sure it's all nice and, moisturized. Oh, and black pepper. Black pepper. Parents don't like too much black pepper, so I'm not going to put too much, but enough. So there we have it. This is what it looks like seasoned. All right, so what you're gonna do is just pour some flour into this, and then mix it up with some cornmeal. Okay. And also what I like to do is season the flour as well because it's so bland. So you could just put some seasoning salt in there. And probably some paprika. And then mix that up together. Oh, there goes the phone. All right, and then after that, that's good for that. And now what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start putting the fish in this mix. So we have our seasoned fish. And honestly, I think these are so big, I think I'm gonna cut these in half because yeah, it's not gonna fit in a pot too much. So I'm gonna cut these in half. These are usually longer than I get them. So let me go ahead and cut these in half. Oh crap. Oh, this was not supposed to be this difficult. All right, so that's that. Just start mixing that up. Bam, bam. But yeah, so whatever recipes y'all want me to do for you, please most definitely put them in the description below. I'm always down to new recipes. Only thing I don't eat is pork, and I try to stay away from red meat as well. But yeah, I don't do pork at all. There we go, cut it in half, and I stay away from red meat. I'm actually going to let these settle in this batter for about 15 minutes before I put it on the stove. And I do that because I just want the batter to be able to settle in so you can get the real crispiness of the fish. So I'm just gonna let that settle in for 15 minutes. Show you how these are gonna be done before, how they're gonna look before they go into the oil. This is the finished product of the battering. It's 5:20 now. I'm going to let these sit for 15 minutes. So I'll be right back. Don't click the next video because it ain't mine. All right, y'all. So now that it's been 15 minutes, what I'm going to start doing is I have my skillet. It's on 350, and I'm just going to pour some oil. For all of this, you need oil to make sure that this gets hot enough. I might just put a little more. Okay, so that should be good enough. Yeah. Awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna let that sit in there for until it gets hot, so around 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll be right back. All right, so this oil is hot enough, I think. Let me go test it out. And let's see. So we can start putting our first batch in here. Oh, please don't smash it. Yep, it's hot, I think. Yep, it's hot. Now, Just put them in. I'm about to put in some more. Looking, I just put some in the skillet, and I'm allowing those to fry up. It's 5:51, so in about 15 minutes, I'm going to check on them to see. I'm going to flip them over in 15 minutes. So I'll be back to you all in 15 minutes. All right, y'all. So now they're time to flip. Boy, hold on now. Alrighty. Alright, so now I'm going to leave those on for about another 10 minutes and put them again and see what's going on. Alright, y'all, so this right here is the final product. I'm going to taste it right now. Let me show y'all a little bit better. Yeah. Crisp and brown. But let's go ahead and see how it tastes. It's hot. Wow, that right there is some good fish. I'll take out the other ones before they burn. But anyways, thank you all so much for checking out yet another video with me. Thank you all so much. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, and I will see you later.